Do you want to use a light color fabric for your sofa? Are you afraid that your kids or pets might ruin it? Hello, I am Misha, a professional interior designer, and I am here to help you with these questions. Your living room is the very first area of the house that guests see. So people like to decorate their living room as beautiful as possible. A wooden sofa is a classic choice as it brings grace and lively presence to the room. Its USP is comfort, elegance, and no one should compromise with these two factors. Speaking of the space factor, if you have a lack of space, then you can make certain modifications to the sofa to suit your room and budget both. The reason why many people are fascinated by wooden sofa is because they are durable and give an elegant look. Also, they blend with all types of interior and match with all the furniture units at home. One piece of furniture that each buyer looks at while decorating their home is a sofa set. Here are some points that a buyer must keep in mind before purchasing wooden sofa set. First, consider how you live and who will use the piece. This will guide you on the type of material to choose. It is easy to customize them. You can provide your own dimensions if you want a particular size of sofa. Mention the material and polish you want so that it complements your interiors. A common mistake people make is not considering how the fabric or leather may age over time. Ask questions at the showroom to find out about the material and its cleaning needs. Furniture in high traffic areas such as family or living room will need durable fabrics, while furniture that is not used much such as bedroom settee or a headboard can support any type of textile. Upholstery is the material which include fabric, padding, webbing and springs that make the sofa covering of chair, sofa and other furniture. Modern upholstered items use spring and foam for greater durability, while the interior material may not be visible. They make a big difference in whether the piece is comfortable or not. Although fabric can always be changed and may need to be depending on wear and tear. Choosing high quality inner layers will help you make sure the piece will last for years to come. Think about how much maintenance you are prepared to do to protect your sofa. Think about how it will look in 5 years. Will you still love the leather as it develops a nice patina from everyday living? Will you vacuum the upholstery fabric regularly? Will you close the drapes when away or not using a room to avoid some of the fading that naturally occurs from exposure to sunlight? I'll advise take the shape of the furniture into consideration when you are choosing a fabric. Take the size of the furniture into account as well. We like larger pieces such as sofa in a rich solid color or classic neutral, so you won't tire of it over time. Think about the other furnishings in the room as well, especially other upholstered pieces. You will want to make sure the color, texture and pattern work well together. The easiest way to be sure you will like an upholstery material on a certain frame and like how it feels when you sit on it is by going with something you see in the store. If If you fall in love with a fabric that's not shown on the floor, ask for a swatch. You can drape over a furnishing to get a better idea of how it will look. If you go with a custom option, make sure you see a large swatch of any pattern fabric so you see the full motif and its complete color palette. A little due diligence will help you avoid a big disappointing surprise. The biggest concern about white color sofa fabric is that they are hard to keep clean, especially with our cat who not only loves to walk all over the sofa but often sleeps on it as well. If it looks like it needs brightening up, you can take the covers off, wash them and put them back on again. It's actually that simple. This is machine washable, so you can easily clean up those inevitable spills in a snap without having to dry clean your entire sofa. You will sit comfortably, so you do not have to sacrifice style for comfort. Choose from the optic white or the storm grey color to get the right hue for your space. The other good news about this sofa, it can go with any kind of aesthetics. So whether you are a modern or a classical type of decorator, this sofa will look amazing in your living room. How do you maintain your sofa? Please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Design by Misha.